Alright, so we're at... Yeah, we see you over there, Peacock. Alright, so Dad, where are we?
We're at the Desert Tower.
Desert Tower?
In Inkapa.
Yes.
Dude, there's no way. I left the
So, as you can see, we can basically see for miles. It's pretty cool.
I think that's the Salton Sea over there.
Over there?
Yeah, you see the little blue part? Or
Yeah.
maybe, probably, but who knows. You can see the sand dunes.
Yeah. Sand dunes, mountains,
Old road.
You and old roads, man. We've been driving up to here, and you said like old roads like 10 times already. Everything about this place screams old roads.
Cool. That's why I'm right here.
Although it's bloody hot. There's a peacock right there if you can see it. Yep, this place has towers, it's got caves, and it's got a boulder park. It's located out in the middle of nowhere, but it looks cool. Got some nice views. It's very windy though, it's hot and windy. My first video recording with my GoPro only got about like 15 minutes, so better make this quick. Yeah. And that peacock better shut up before I...
Wow, stretch into the classics with Richard Simmons. Oh, I'm good. That's beautiful. He's a legend.
You can find
Roses are red, violets are blue. Here's a stretch tape I made just for you.
What?
There's classical music you have loved and heard, and to your surprise, I don't utter a word. From the tips of your fingers to those 10 little toes, I'll get rid of your aches, your pain, and your woes. Oh, God bless Richard Simmons. He's my hero.
I like the statue.
Yeah, the statues are pretty cool. What does that say?
Pax amor et gradum.
Alright.
Water back. I like the turtle.
Yep.
How do you get all the way out here?
I don't know, but he managed to get out here. It's a little weird and a little freaky, but it's cool. I think it's cool.
That's what they're going for.
I'm sure it's got bones, but yeah. Well, they have a Sony CD player. Remember when we had one of those? From like the 2000s?
I was going to show you the dragon the last time.
Ah, yes. Dragons. Neat. Dragons and birds.
You working out in the living room?
Mm-hmm.
There, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
To the boulder park?
what do you even do? Stop it. Stop it. I will tackle you.
I got skills.
No, you don't. Just depress them.
So cool.
So cool.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go boulder hopping. Thank you.
All right, have fun.
Human organ for trans. Oh, that's the lunchbox.
Does it work?
That's the lunchbox of the century right there.
Human organ for transplant.
Come on.
You get that one for grandma?
It doesn't work?
What?
Wait, does this one work?
I'm retired.
It's a player piano.
Stop making stupid people
Oh,
famous.
I don't need it to work.
We already have death panels. They're
This
called
one works.
insurance companies. All your bumper stickers.
I know, that's what I was telling you about. You voted for a show, you owe the U.S. an apology. Put that in the back of grandma's car and Peach.
Oh, this one.
Well, look at that.
Nice.
Medically speaking, what harm does marijuana do to terminally ill patients?
You're out of tune.
What? It's
You should probably ask permission before you play something.
Look at the little uniform that they have. That uniform.
Nah, that almost looks like Revolutionary Warrior.
Hey.
Hope he's okay to do that. Sorry about that. What was it again?
See that? I could get a motorcycle.
It'd be tough getting parts for it. Alright, that's out too. I was gonna take a picture.
It was out of tune. I can't. I'm here, so if it's out of tune, I'm like, I don't think I'll play right notes. Since I don't really do sheet music, so I can't really read it.
He's coming for you.
I will win that one.
You guys missed the vortex of good vibes.
The vortex of good vibes.
Dude, that's all what I'm about.
Well, if it's vibes, then I'll let the internet decide if it's good vibes.
Hey Jake. Jake, did you want to wash?
The
Jake,
vortex of good vibes.
did you want to wash?
I think there's some good vibes going on around here.
Alright. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea to wash your hands.
Yep.
Hot water, very hot.
He's out.
I wrestle peacocks for a living.
No, you don't, Jake.
Yeah, I do. Shut up. He doesn't know that.
You gonna show us the feathers?
I don't know. We could like agitate him, but I doubt we want to do that.
I don't think you want to do that.
Yeah, no.
Birdie?
Mm-hmm.
It's a cool birdie. But I get smacked. Hello? Alright, picture. Smile. Cheese. Dude, selfie with a peacock? I mean, like, what can I say? Yeah, I just do this and act like I'm near it. Why didn't you take it? What you want? Smiley. Yeah, I'm the peacock. Alright, now what? Yeah. Enter at your own risk.
That's when you know it's fun.
I am
Yes.
my wrist. Look, I nearly almost broke my ankle on the first step. I almost broke my ankle.
Awesome. On the first step too.
Enter at your own risk. Cool.
The first step.
I missed the turtle, man.
Dude,
More turtles?
dude, I'm all
How did these turtles get out here? Aren't we miles on miles away from the
Some
ocean?
guy carved all this up. No.
Wait, it's not climbing, is it?
Alright, don't step on the statue. Be careful.
I will. 3 points of contact?
Hmm?
3 points of contact? I really need hiking shoes. I really like that.
And you didn't... I'm gonna go up the stairs.
Okay.
Lizard.
Oh shit, there's like a leg. Oh damn, I'm climbing on another statue. I didn't
Oh.
realize it.
Hope this is not offensive to anybody, but it looks pretty cool. A little creepy. Probably don't want to be out here at night,
That's just creepy.
but cool.
That is creepy. Mask is not good for breathing. I want to climb that, but that's just too scary to jump. Alright, I'm gonna try it.
Alright, fine. I'm moving. Looks cool. Probably don't want to be coming here at night. Freak you out. This is low.
What are you doing, Carter?
I'm going down the stairs. Because secret tunnel. Huh? Huh. Hey Dad, did you see the skull? That's cool.
Yeah.
You okay, Dad?
Yeah. There's another one right there. Reminds me of one of the ones from the books.
What books? You read a lot of books. You're talking about like Game of Thrones books, Harry Potter books, like what books?
I don't know. It was like a children's book. Where you going?
I don't know. But what I do know is that I'm climbing. Hey Dad, is my GoPro still flashing red?
Yeah.
Alright, I mean it's still recording. What? How do you do, Jake?
No, all right.
All right.
It's hard to breathe.
See, this is where it's all about. You know, you just bring your girlfriend here.
Barney, you have to get some like great views. You gotta like start climbing. It'll look cool on the GoPro.
No, I'm giving dating advice. You just bring your girlfriend here and lock her up in the tower because that's what all fairy tales do. I guess, I don't know. But yeah, bring your girlfriend here. She'll love you forever. Nice little afternoon walk maybe, or a nice morning walk. I wouldn't come here at night though. Only in probably the mornings or evenings. Definitely not here at, no, not evenings, afternoons. Don't come here at evening. But yeah, show her the boulder park, show her the caves, show her the tower, show her the cool yet creepy boulder statues. The secret tunnels. You'll get your exercise. It's a win-win. Plus it's only like $7 per person. So that's like $14 right there.